Hello, and welcome to the Tentative Tutor channel. A number plus its square is equal to 90. What is the number? I'll solve this problem in 3, 2, 1. Let's let n stand for the number. Then we have n plus n squared is equal to 90. Let's move the 90 to the left side and rearrange the terms. So we have a trinomial. N squared plus n minus 90 is equal to 0. We'd like to factor this as a product of two binomials. We need two positive numbers a and b, with a bigger than b, whose product is 90 and whose difference is 1. So let's list the integers whose product is 90. We see that 9 and 10 are the only adjacent pair. So in fact, n squared plus n minus 90 must be n plus 10 times n minus 9. Let's verify that they're equal using the FOIL method, standing for first, outside, inside, and last. So we first multiply the first terms of each binomial, n times n, giving us n squared. Then the outside terms giving us minus 9 times n for minus 9n. Then the inside terms give us plus 10n. And finally, the last two terms in both binomials give us 10 times minus 9, which is minus 90. And then we see that minus 9n plus 10n combine to give n. Now we can apply the principle of zero products. That is, if we're multiplying two numbers and we get 0, either one or the other or both have to be 0. So since n plus 10 times n minus 9 is equal to 0, either n plus 10 is 0 or n minus 9 is 0. Then solving those two equations give us n equal to minus 10 or n equal to 9. So we get two different solutions. Thanks for watching.